We'll guide you through how to download and use WhatsApp in your any Android TV or smart TV. To do this, just go to Play Store by your remote. Open Play Store.
Okay.
And go to this search option and search for this browser and download it. Okay, I have already downloaded. Just open it. Now this interface will show. Okay, just go to the Google icon from your remote. Go to the Google and search here WhatsApp APK. Search for WhatsApp APK like that. I have already searched it for that. You can also search WhatsApp APK. Okay, now just click on download WhatsApp for Android. It is 100% safe because we are downloading it from WhatsApp official website. It is secure. Okay, just click here. Just scroll down. Now just click on download WhatsApp directly. Click here and click on open. Click OK on download. It will downloading. Okay, as I earlier said, this is surely secure app. Okay, don't worry for any security. Just click OK and make sure one thing, we have installed the browser app from Play Store. So TV is asking for install unknown apps, so we are installing from browser. Okay, this is safe. Click OK and go back. Now click OK. Now click on install. Just now click on open. Now this is tricky part. You need to find your button. I'm clicking on up and down button from my remote. You can see the button is there. Okay, you can see just 1 2 click on agree. Sorry, this is the English, this is the language. Now click down, click OK. Now you can see the QR code option. Now just go to your phone and open WhatsApp. Click on this 3 dot. Click on linked devices. Just click link a device and scan this QR code, okay, from your phone. And after scanning, it will take 50 seconds or 1 minute, and then your WhatsApp will be open on your TV. Wait for this. Now you can see WhatsApp is successfully installed. To use this, just select any chat, just like I'm selecting my chat, and to open keyboard, just click on this. Go to this. Okay. Now you will see this icon. Go to there. Now you can see the keyboard is open. And if keyboard using is very hard for you, just go to your phone, download Google TV app, connect your phone to your TV. Now you can use your phone as a keyboard. Look there, I'm typing here and the type is typing there. Okay.